So a lot of people hear the word email and they go, ugh, email. But when I hear email, I hear opportunity. And in many cases, email also turns into dollars, especially if you're a business owner. For example, when I launched my first online course in 2017, one simple email turned into tens of thousands of dollars in earnings. When my partner Caleb and I launched our physical product, the Switch Pod, based on an email list that we had built in anticipation for this launch, we were able to crack $100,000 in 11 hours and 26 minutes. When you build a strong email list, not a huge one, but a strong one, you can do some amazing things for your business and your life. And it's so important today to think about email because yes, we might be building platforms and audiences on all kinds of different places like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever. But at any moment in time, any one of those platforms, and we've seen this before, can change the rules. They can change the algorithm. They can affect your life because it's their sandbox we're playing in. However, when you build an email list, when you get people from those social channels, from your website, from your podcast, from your YouTube videos into an email list, now you have control. And like in 2013, when my website got shut down because it was hacked, guess what? I was not freaking out because I had an email list and I knew that I could just set up shop elsewhere if I needed to.